Hello, I'm Becca. Do you remember my friends, Poppy and Lola? Last time we saw you, we were on a snowy walk down to the swing bridge. And today we're going to be making some dog biscuits from sweet potato and banana. When I say we, I'm going to be making some dog biscuits. I don't trust those two to help me. Before we do anything, the first and most important job is for you to wash your hands. Don't forget to use soap and warm water and wash for at least 20 seconds. If you don't know how long this is, just sing happy birthday to yourself. Please don't forget that when you're doing this activity, you must be supervised by an adult. First, you need to peel your sweet potato. If you haven't got a peeler, don't worry, you can just do this with a knife. Then you need to cut your sweet potato into chunks. Ask an adult to help you with this next bit. Put the sweet potato chunks into a pan with some cold water and pop it on the stove for 10 to 15 minutes until the sweet potato is soft enough to mash. I know it's taking a long time, Lola. You're just going to have to be patient. Next, you need to peel a banana and throw away the skin, or keep it for your compost if you've got a compost bin. Then chop your banana into nice small pieces and pop into the bowl. Right, the next job you need to do is to mash the banana using a potato masher. You need to spend quite a bit of time mashing so that it's really, really gooey. The gooier the better and the softer the better for the biscuits. If it gets too much, just ask an adult to give you a hand. There we go, all nice and soft. And use a wooden spoon to get any extra bits that are left on the potato masher. On to your next job, measuring out the porridge oats. Yes, we're going as fast as we can, Poppy. Hold your horses. Uh-oh, where's Poppy gone? Oh, for goodness sake, what a naughty puppy. Come back, Poppy. That's my knitting. Now what are you doing? That's my cup of Earl Grey tea. Now stay there, Poppy, no more mischief. Where were we? Oh, measuring out porridge oats. We need 160 grams of porridge oats, so we'll put them on the scales and just check. Have we got enough? Yes, 160. Yes, Poppy, yes, Lola. It's very important that an adult helps you with this next part. You're going to be using an electric blender to turn the porridge oats from oats into a finer oat flour. If you've got oat flour in the cupboard, then you can use that instead. So let's switch on the blender, ask the adult to help you with this part, and blend until it becomes a very fine flour. Oh dear, Lola's got fed up of waiting, she's gone to sleep. This next job is another job that you need to ask an adult to help you with. The sweet potatoes need draining. Using a colander, draining into the sink can get rid of the hot water. Then add the soft sweet potato into the banana mixture. Here's where the potato masher comes back in. Give the banana and the sweet potato a really good mush together. You don't want to have any lumps left at all. Keep going, I know your arms are tired. There we go, almost like a paste. Next, you need to add in the oat flour. And we're going to give it a really good stir. This is something that might take a while. You need to make sure that you get all of the oat flour mixed in. No powder left. That's it, you're doing well. We're getting to the point now where it's turning into a bit of a paste or a dough. I know, Lola. Now it's turned into a dough, you can get stuck in with your hands and give it a really good knead. Do you know how to spell knead when you knead a dough? K-N-E-A-D. That's right. So make sure that you mix all the dry parts into the wet parts. And then you should be left with a nice firm ball of dough. And we're going to wrap it with cling film over the top to keep it airtight. Make sure there's no holes. Stick down all of the edges. And then we're going to put it into the fridge. This is the boring bit. Into the fridge, and we need to leave it for 6 hours. That could be overnight while you have a sleep. So 6 hours later, here's our dough, nice and chilled out of the fridge. And I've put some corn flour onto the side so that the dough doesn't stick and my rolling pin doesn't stick. Can you start to roll out your dough? It's quite sticky, so you need to make sure you've got lots of flour on the worktop and on your rolling pin. Once you've got your dough to about 1 centimetre thick, then you can start to think about cutting it out. You only need to cut out small pieces because you don't want to give your dog too many treats at once. I'm using a milk bottle top for mine. I've dipped it into flour just so that it comes out when I push it into the dough. If you haven't got a milk bottle top, there's another easy way to do it. I'll show you that in a minute. So now I'm putting my treats onto a sheet of greaseproof paper on my tray. Now we need to think about turning on the oven. Can you ask an adult to help you turn it on to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit? Now here's the easy way, if you haven't got a bottle top, of how to make the dog treats. Simply tear off small pieces of the dough and roll them into a ball, and then squidge them down. That's it, well done. So, I'm finished. Here's my full tray of dog treats ready to go into the oven. Ask your adult to do this bit for you. Into the oven, and they need to be baked for 30 to 35 minutes. Here we go. Ask your adult to take the treats out of the oven for you and put them on the side to cool. They should be nice and crispy. Once they're cool, you can put them onto a cooling tray to let them cool off even further. Now my biscuits are cool, I'm going to store them in an airtight container with a lid. Every time Poppy and Lola do something good, I'm going to give them one of the treats. Oh, here's a little puppy looking for a treat. Here you go, Poppy. What do you think to this? Oh, yum. Sweet potato and banana, your favourite. Here comes Lola. Here you go, Lola. Was it worth waiting for? Okay, girls, you can have another one. Thanks everyone for tuning in today and helping to make some dog biscuits. I hope your dogs enjoyed them. Tune in next time when we're going to be making some rainbow pizza. Oh, yum. And if you like our videos, please can you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care, and we'll see you soon.